Now that we got that done, what are we going to talk about next time? I'm not quite sure, but it might have something to do with this electrical outlet right here. This one is not on a GFI circuit. And I already made that determination. There's a couple plugs here in this wall in the kitchen on the counters. Those two are connected to this GFI right here. But when I test it, let's test it real quick. See this right here? This is just plugged in. Gives us 3 plugs and 2 to put cords to charge up phones, and we can just plug them in. That's kind of a slick little thing. But see this electrical outlet right here? It's on, yes? Okay. So if we want to test that very quickly, I'm going to press this button here and pop this out. Now it's in test mode. Any GFI, any electrical outlets after here should be turned off. And I already know that those 2 over there are turned off. Okay, but let's see if this one is. It's not, is it? That means it's on either a different circuit or it's wired differently. And actually it is on a different circuit. And this one doesn't work either. Okay? Or that one's still on, I mean. That one's on along with that one there. And so we know that's on a separate circuit. So those are in the kitchen, and those really should be on GFI. And I was able to find that out, and because this is in the kitchen, this area here is right next to the water. See this electrical outlet? So if you plug anything in there, like a mixer, you want to do something, you reach over there, you can electrocute yourself, and that's what the GFI is for, is to quickly shut it off. And because this is a wet counter area, maybe you're doing something in the kitchen and you want to put a mixer bowl over here, or you want something that's plugged in here and you want it on right here, a toaster, let's say, or a blender or a mixer, or whatever it is, and you put it in there and your hands are wet from over here, and you come back over here and somehow it's shorted out and it causes you to electrocute yourself. And maybe the electrical breaker doesn't trip at the electrical panel, but had you had a GFI on here, it would snap right off really quick. And so what I need to do, and I don't know exactly how yet, but I'm going to get an electrical GFI electrical outlet, and I'm going to put it on one of these plugs, specifically this plug over here. Okay? But I know these plugs are in the same circuit. Wherever the power comes in to this area, it's also controlled where the garbage disposal is, and there's an electrical outlet underneath here where you got the garbage disposal in. So I know that plug down there is on the same circuit, and maybe some other plugs inside the main room are on the same circuit. I don't know. Maybe it is. Maybe it's not. But I can figure that out, and I can make. Did you know I can use one GFI outlet, and I can get all of this GFI connected if I can find out where the power is coming in to this main area. My guess is it's probably over here, and then it goes over and feeds this, boom, boom, and the garbage disposal. Or it comes from this direction, from here on that way. But the electrical panel is that way over this direction. So I'm figuring the closest plug, closest outlet that comes in here is probably right there. So I can take an electrical GFI, electrical receptacle, and if I can figure out which power is coming in and which wire is going over to feed more things, I can hook a GFI 2 different ways. Did you know that? You can find the power that comes in, you hook it up a certain way with all those wires, you can get everything else done. If you don't know how to do that, you may think, okay, I got an outlet here, so I need one GFI there, and I need one GFI over here. I need 2 electrical outlets, and because there's a plug underneath here, maybe I want one, maybe I want a GFI down there too. But if you knew how to do your GFI a different way, it's all in the directions in the box, by the way, maybe you can get everything GFI. Even this switch, like if this gets loose or something and your hands are wet and you go down there and something moves that around, maybe I can get that switch covered with this GFIs, because I looked in an electrical panel. I know the one circuit for the garbage disposal as well as these two outlets are in the same circuit, okay? So that might be the project that we talk about next time. Hey, one way or another, I'll put it on my channel when I'm ready and when I do it, and you'll know how it's done. Look for it. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And what am I going to talk about next time? What am I going to show you next time? Well, you'll just have to keep watching my videos to find out.